Let's do an unboxing, which is, it's quite big, like it's a few orders, and I thought let me just make one video about it. It's my dog in the background if you do possibly hear noises. So let me just start off by showing you how cute. This is not a part of like the stuff I ordered online, but I got this at Clicks for 35 Rand. It was in their clearance sale, and it's like a little scrunchie and two of these marble clips. I thought this is so cute, and let me show you. Let me open it quickly. So it's beautiful. You get these two clips. Love. I've always wanted these. They're not the same shape, but it's still cute. And a little scrunchie for 35 Rand. How cute. Unstoppable, pink and proud. Cute, eh? This is an Essence Soft Precise Lip Pencil in the shade 6 Real. So that's cute. I'm excited to use these products, but that's real pretty. And then this is a 32 piece brush set that was marked off from like 400 Rand to like 100 and something. It's 32 pieces, and I thought that was just amazing. Takealot has amazing sales sometime, like, so yeah. I like seeing, it's stuff like this that amazes me. This one product in this box, like, but anyway, this is the Loreen, I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is the self-tanning face gel in the shade Caramel for all skin types. So I'm going on a little self-tanning journey, so excited to see how this works. Okay, then in the next box, these little mystery boxes, I've done these on my page before, but Takealot sometimes has amazing specials on these, like 50% off, and then I'm just like, let me just grab it because it's 50% off. So this is valued at like 315, and I got this for 129 Rand. So I'm excited to see what I get this time around. And then, like I said, self-tanning journey. This is just the Caribbean Tan Cinnamon and Coconut Skin Smoothing Exfoliator. And then this was quite interesting. Nail polish thinner, refresh thick nail polish. So I have so many nail polish that like there's no product in, but like I just have to get it loose, so this is perfect for that. And then also another Essence one, which was also 50% off. I'll see if I can pop the prices up, but this was like very affordable, so I thought like let me just grab it because it's cool. You get quite a few products. And then the Caribbean tan in a can in the shade B. I've heard mixed reviews, so I'm excited to see how that works. I saw Kaylin speak about these, like when she self-tans, she uses like gloves so that the mitt doesn't suck up all the products. So I'm excited. I'm excited om dit te probeer. I've been dying to try these. Baby got blush and baby got glow. So I'll do a little review on these. And then my last two items is this W7 Strawberry Overnight Lip Mask. I saw Lizette speaking about this, so I'm excited to see how this works. And I've been seeing this brand a lot nowadays, so I'm excited to try her out. This again was on a huge sale, and I've been like specking this. I've had my eye on this for quite some time now, and then I thought like I just need to get it. So I got the black one. They've got a black and a gold one. I'm excited to organize my jewelry and pack it like nicely, and it's quite huge, like necklaces, earrings, bangles. This is awesome, so I'll maybe make a video on that. And that is all of my Takealot stuffies I ordered. Yeah, no, I think I'm actually gonna make a separate video for this, for the Woolworths, because it's just so much, so stay tuned.